In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Live on the desktop web version through Google AI Studio. First, open your web browser and head over to the Google AI Studio website. Make sure you're signed into your Google account because you'll need that to access Gemini. If you have multiple Google accounts, it's a good idea to pick the one you'll consistently use for your AI projects, just to keep everything in one place. Once you're on the AI Studio homepage, look for the Gemini section. You should see an option for Gemini Live, which is the real-time, interactive experience. Click into that, and give the page a moment to load. If this is your first time, you might see a short introduction or some permissions prompts. Carefully review any terms or notices that appear and continue once you're comfortable. Inside Gemini Live, you'll see a main chat or workspace area where the conversation will happen. On the side or at the top, you may see options to switch models, adjust settings, or manage your projects. Before you start interacting, take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout. Hover over icons to see tooltips, and note where you can clear the conversation or start a new one. To begin using Gemini Live, click into the message box and type your first prompt. You can ask questions, request explanations, or give it tasks like drafting text, summarizing content, or brainstorming ideas. When you're ready, hit Enter or click the Send button and wait for Gemini's response. If the answer isn't quite what you need, you can refine your request by adding more detail, asking it to simplify, or focusing on a specific part of the answer. Many desktop versions of Gemini Live also support features like voice input or attaching files or links. If you see a microphone icon, you can enable it to speak your prompt instead of typing. If file upload is available, you can provide documents or images for Gemini to analyze. Just remember not to upload anything sensitive or private. As you work, you can create separate chats for different topics or projects. This helps keep your conversations organized and easy to revisit. Look for an option to start a new chat, or return to previous ones in your history. When you're done, you can simply close the tab, or return to the main AI Studio dashboard to explore other tools and experiments built around Gemini.